Also an important day in the Boston Marathon bombing trial. After 16 days of emotional and sometimes graphic testimony, the judge started giving a long list of instructions to the jury this morning before prosecutors and defense lawyers gave closing arguments. Let's go to Eyewitness News reporter Chris Van Cleve in Boston for the latest.
The defense team arrived at Boston's federal courthouse ready to begin closing arguments. The fate of accused marathon bomber Johar Tsarnaev could be in the hands of the jury sometime today. The 2013 Boston bombings killed 3 and injured more than 260 others. Tsarnaev also faces charges related to the murder of MIT police officer Sean Colliers.
There are legal experts who have said they're going to be back in an hour. They're going to go back out there. They're going to go check, guilty, guilty. I don't expect that. They have this massive indictment. They have 30 counts. And this is their first time that they get to talk about this case.
From the beginning, Tsarnaev's lawyers acknowledged he did it. So this trial has been less about guilt and more about life or death for the defendant. The defense team is led by Judy Clark, who has kept many clients, including Unabomber Ted Kaczynski, off death row. Her strategy so far is to suggest Tsarnaev fell under the influence of his radicalized older brother, Tamerlan. Much of the crime was caught on video, and prosecutors played the dramatic, graphic images for the jury as witness after witness described the events of April 2013. The jury was shown a timeline of the brothers' activities on race day. They arrive with backpacks, enter the crowd. The bombs explode, and the brothers leave without backpacks.
Heather Abbott of Newport, who lost a leg in the bombings, was at court today along with other victims and their family members. If Tsarnaev is found guilty, then the penalty phase begins. All the jurors chose and agreed that they would consider the death penalty.